This personal channel is we're gonna have cooking vlogs, Q&As, mukbangs, Thai Tuesdays. Thai Tuesdays is mostly gonna be about it's gonna be like every other Tuesday. It's me and my friends gang. We're gonna pull up and we're gonna discuss a topic and we're gonna get in depth and we're gonna debate on it on some yo, no, this is facts. I feel like this is this. Every weekend I'm gonna be also on my social media. If you're not following me on social media, stay updated. Please do. Now, y'all don't understand how excited I am because this is my personal channel, and everyone that's subscribed to actually me and my brother's TNT channel already know that I've been posting should I make a personal channel, feel me? And everybody was like, yeah, I should, because everybody's like, if you have me on social media, as you can see, I could cook, I could chef it up, and everybody want to see that. So I'm like, you know what? My boy Tim is in Florida right now, getting laid without me, which is pretty. I should get it, but it's alright. It's alright. But anyways, yeah, he's out there enjoying himself. Hope he stays safe, have a blast. But yeah, this is for y'all. Y'all asked for it. Y'all want me to make my channel. And here we go. I'll do a cooking vlog / Q&A. I'm always posting me cooking, you feel me? And everybody's like, yo, make a channel and do this. I want to learn how to cook like you. And I'm like, yo, bro, I got you. I'm gonna do it. So this is it. And I'm about to go to the grocery store right now. I'm about to get the supplies. I'm gonna tell you everything you need. While I do that, I'm gonna answer questions. Steak and rice in a pineapple with corn on the cob. That's devious. 5-star restaurant. Ty J. Clyde's restaurant. Feel me? But yeah, hope y'all enjoy this vlog. And let's get to it. Yeah, I'm at Stop and Shop. As y'all can see, I'm at Stop and Shop. Feel me? How to get the ingredients. Alright guys, I'm in Stop and Shop. I'm about to go get the ingredients for steak and rice and corn on the cob with pineapple. It's a regular. But yeah, you're gonna need, which one you need? Steak, olive oil, salt, black pepper, butter, white pepper, and garlic cloves, and A1 sauce of course, and pineapples, and rice, and corn. So first I'm gonna get the bell pepper. Bell peppers. So we got the peppers. Bell peppers. Check. So I'll be answering questions too. So let me see. The first question. Have I ever been out of the country? Yes, I have. I have been to Jamaica once. Yeah, pretty much it. I went to Jamaica, that's it. I haven't really traveled before that much. But, yeah, it was a good experience. Jamaica is lit. But I don't even like to eat, but Jamaica was lit. Another question was, do I prefer jeans or sweats? Oh, honestly, I prefer jeans. I love jeans, love jeans. Love jeans. Can't go wrong with jeans. My favorite jeans name brand will be Amiri. But then again, I gotta shout out my friend. She's an artiste. She designs all my jeans. She just make them look fire. Look fire. That's my favorite brand right there. Support black businesses, guys. Support your friends. Support your friends. My favorite cereal? Oh, that's a good one. My favorite cereal would be, honestly, can't go wrong with Cinnamon Toast Crunch, man. Can't go wrong. And I'm a type of person I like to mix cereal, but my favorite cereal will be Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, yeah, I'll go with that. I got the corn, by the way. It's another thing you need. Corn. But so far I have the pineapple, the corn, the bell peppers. We didn't have bell peppers. We didn't need onions. We have onions, I have onions in the crib. And yeah, now I'm gonna just gonna get the steak. So we can get the steak. My favorite ice strawberry shortcake also. But like that's on a stick. But otherwise, it'll be good to go. I love it. This is the steak. Oh my god. Beautiful steak. Alright, let me see how you pick this steak, guys. So this is the steak right here. This is strip steak roll. Total price is $12.13. The 6 of us, so I need 6 steaks. That's like, ooh, that's like $60. Oh well. $6 steak. Nice, nice, nice. Oh my god, what a time. Yeah, I have to do this. I know everybody thinks. Can't do it. Correct. Like, I should do it. Oh, movie. What age did I start cooking? Honestly, started cooking at the age of 11. 11. Yep, 11. What is my dream car? I'm working on getting a Genesis G70. I want that so bad. My dream car is probably a Cybertruck. I want a Cybertruck. A Cybertruck. It's a fact. I think that's it. The best thing that happened in my life. I'm honestly gonna say the opportunity to be able to trade in the Forex market. That's honestly the best thing that happened so far, because why I say this is because of the fact that I'm able to make money with my phone, feel me? In my sleep. And it's like it's just another stream of income. And to be a millionaire, you gotta have multiple streams of income. Guys, got cookies, all the ingredients. Now, about to make my way back home to start cooking. It's a movie. Hey, hey, hey. What's my favorite color? My favorite color is, I have a lot of favorite colors, but I'm starting to really love orange. Like, I've been wearing a lot of orange lately. Like, that's kind of my color right now. But that's one of my favorite colors. I like black, I like red, I like purple, and yeah, pretty much. Alright, so I made it back safely, and now I'm gonna just show you the ingredients one by one, so you can have like more clarification of what you need to get. So you're gonna need the steak. Number one. You can buy as many things once depending on how many people you're feeding. You're gonna need bell peppers, the A1 sauce. Gotta have that sauce. I got that sauce. You're gonna need olive oil. Then salt, fresh garlic, adobo, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then you're definitely gonna need some pineapples. If you're doing the same thing I'm doing, you're gonna need some pineapples. And that will pretty much what you're gonna need. Onions too. Hold on. Onions. The onions. Rice. You can make it with rice, honestly. What else you gonna need? That's pretty much it. That's all you're gonna need. Then I'm gonna show you how to cook it up. Oh, I'm bugging. We need butter. Butter on a stick. That's pretty much it. That's all you need. 100%, that's all you need. Dang. Rule number one, always prep everything before you start cooking outside. So, I'm gonna cut this up, clean it, season it, let it sit, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the meat. This shit mad heavy money already. Might have to cut this up. Alright. First thing first, add some lime juice. Then you obviously go to the sink and you wash it. So I'm gonna do that now. This is the best part. This is the best part of the whole thing. Hold on. This is how you season it. Flip the joint. Flip it. Look up at the onion pepper. Don't OD on it. Don't OD on it. Oh shit, I OD. Oh shit. I do it how the chef does it. This is how I make mine. Then, after you do what the hell? Me, season the joint. Gotta put some salt. How can I forget? Some salt. Some salt. Alright. And this is what I do. Usually put the steak sauce at the end. You're bugging. The A1 sauce, you gotta put a little bit when it's marinating, bro. That's how you get that rich flavor. Both sides, you gotta do it on both sides. Back again. Oh, you didn't cut that in. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like cutting onions. I need your assistance. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is Lisa. This is an amazing cook.
Thanks, honey.
You put the onions and put it in there. Put a little garlic in there too as well. And you're Gucci. I'm gonna prep the rice. As you wash your rice, make sure the water get clear when you wash it. Then you're gonna want to cut up
bell peppers like so. Show you like to do it, how you supposed to do it. Cut up the bell pepper like so. Alright, one of the Q&A questions were, what's my favorite thing about cooking? And is it a hobby? Well, my favorite thing about cooking is the decoration part. It would be the decoration part. Because I love the appearance. I feel like the appearance really matters. Feel me? But it's like, as you can see, well, you haven't seen yet, but you're about to see how my appearance is about to look. Is it a hobby? It's starting to become a hobby because I enjoy doing it so much. Like, I love cooking. Nice and pretty. Ooh, we slide. Alright, then I'm gonna make the butter coat. Well, I do this when I make steak. So you're gonna grab some butter, stick of butter. You feel me? Grab a stick of butter. Put it in a bowl. Right, like this much. Right. You feel me? And garlic in that drawn. This is the butter that you put on the top and you let it melt. And you let it sit, bruh. I'm gonna put some garlic in here too as well. Another question was, let me see. Sneakers or Crocs? During quarantine, not gonna lie, I'm gonna say Crocs. Hey. Look at them. So comfortable. So comfortable. They ain't got the sport mode. Feel me? The sport mode. Crocs. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, let it marinate. For your butter now, get a spoon. Alright. Gonna get a spoon and go mix it. Nice mix. Now I'm gonna cut the pineapples. I'm gonna show you how to cut it. Show you how to cut a pineapple. Give me a knife, a butcher boy knife, to cut the thing. I want to get it like a bowl-like shape. Bowl-like shape. Why? Because it's gonna be your plate. She gotta be fire. I've done it before, and I could do it again. Another question was, from the Q&A questions, was from Jada. She was like, one of my friends. Matter of fact, go subscribe to her YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it up here. But when are you cooking for me? That's what she said. Man, for me, my friend, for me, I'll feel free to cook for you, bro. You know I got you. Just let me know. I can even bring you some. That's how you cook a pineapple. I said cook. How you cook them. So what you want to do is center it in the middle. Can you see? sure that's center it in the middle. Make sure you have a butcher boy knife because an hour give you a knife dull. So go like this. Cut it in the middle. Right. See how it's in the middle? Now you're gonna secure, and you gotta cut right through the middle with the leaves. So hold up. Whoa. Whoa. That's how you cut the pineapple, bro. So now you're gonna carve it. So you have to carve your outline, meaning use a little knife. So you gotta carve it. You gotta get that outline, right? That's how you cut a pineapple. Perfect. That finished all the pineapples. Shit's wavy. Perfectly cut for me. Finish all that. Now we can get busy. Whoa, whoa. Now I'm gonna get the steak. Look at the steak. Now, as you see, it was marinated in the fridge for like about 30 minutes. Put some garlic, you know, onions, peppers. I let it marinate. Now, what I like to do is add a little bit more steak sauce. Excuse. Then, gotta go to the pot. Let's go. Time to go to the pot. Time to go to the pot. Like your TV, Instagram. Add a little olive oil. That's where the olive oil comes in. Nah, it's too big. I'm gonna need another phone. That's it. That's it. That's it. Waistline. Waistline. Which one was, where am I from? Nationality wise, I'm Jamaican. As you see, as it's cooking, it's catching color, as you can see. As you can see, and after you see how it catches color. We're only cooking this for like about 10 minutes. Now it's like, now it's not fire. Now it's on fire. Put it on the pan. On the pan now, this is what I suggest you do. Remember that butter I had put with the garlic? Smear it on here. put it in. Boom. Boom. What you want to do? Some onions on it, you know. Decorate it a little bit. You know what I mean? Put it in. Now it's time to place it into the beautiful oven. Where is it? Where's your leg? Found it. Time to put it in the oven. Set a timer for around like 10 minutes. Now, we're about to put the corn and make the rice, and yeah, pretty much it. Making the corn is simple. Just put corn in there, put it in the pot, boil it, water, a little bit of salt, you feel me? Rice is pretty simple to make, honestly. You just need rice. And depending, like, if you want to make rice perfect like me, let me tell you. First of all, depends on how many people you're serving. So if you make a cup of rice, you will need 2 cups of water if you're making 1 cup of rice. So it's like, do the ratio. If you're doing 2, then that means that you're doing 4 cups of water. If you're making 2 cups of rice, you're making 3, that means that you're making 6, you're putting 6 cups of water, so you're putting 3 cups of rice. I have 4 cups of rice, so that means that I have to put 8 cups of water. Just let it boil. And then when you see it get bubbly, that's when you put 4 people under it and you cover it. Yeah, that's the Caribbean way. That's how I do it. This steak, bro. Let me show you, bro. This steak. Like, do you guys see that, bro? You guys see that? Oh my god. How does this, man? I'm regular. It's beeping, so that means that it's done. Let me stop this. That's done. And I'm about to show you how to do it. So this is the results. That's what you should get. Oh my god. Oh my. Perfect. This look like perfect. Oh my god. Damn. Listen. Yeah, at least you also. I had to taste it for me. I always taste what I cook. So I know why I want them. Oh my. Whoa. Oh my god damn. It's really good. Like, I'm over here eating the steak. This is crazy. Alright, let me stop. I gotta stop. But do you see that, bro? Do you see that? Now, gotta slice and dice the steak. Boom. See the little fine strips like that? You wanna cut it like this. Little fine strips like that. It's all cut up now. Now we just have to wait for the rice to cook so we can put everything together. The moment I've been waiting for. Decoration time. First thing first. First thing first. You want to get some rice in a plate. Let it cool down a little bit. Get your steak. Right? want half of it. You want half of it to be rice and the rest steak. And there you got it. Alright, here's gonna be your final results. Feel me? Yes, sir. If y'all want more cooking videos, please leave a comment and I'll do them. Cook anything. I can cook anything because there's nothing I can't cook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm out.